So, Jamaica, we at it again. Big up on the damn self, you know. I don't know this something go. So, on that episode of people, we see where Khago I make some talk and enough people not gonna like what the man is saying, but people gonna be the judge. Khago did say some interesting thing. And we are gonna touch that topic here first. Now, a lot of people say them are Gaza fans, straight up. A Gaza we say. Alright. With that said, you know say cartel youth them big them up and big up at the music. So the speculation is them career should have been bigger than where they right now, you know what I mean? Them don't really have no viral song like you know when see a bad jeans in a Panama, expensive in a Panama, and a song like a Valiant Drop like that. Them not have none of them type of song there right now we are really smash. But you have to know say with music a timing, you understand? Them just have to wait for them timing, right? I just so me see thing, you know? Cause people in a virgin hard to please. And if any audience else easy to please, I want audience me can guarantee you no easy to please and it's a Jamaican audience. But make a think them band Shandy Buckle. Alright. So with that said people, make sure to smash the like and you know, well forward to the family. And we have South Jamaica I go on with a thing in the street right now where we have built a platform here. You see it? Yeah man, I'm big up on yourself and I don't know, you know. So if so much Gaza fan on the road right now. I don't think say them youth should already sell at least gold. But you know say the system I say them would have went still and the things where Adi I go through, them probably shine some other light there and try to blackball them thing, but he bigger than me, so I left that there so. We don't know. But people, is it that we now wait for a special hit song from Little Adi and Little Vibes? Or we want a big feature with them and Adi? If we say we now bust them in a dancehall the right way. Cause right now people, the man them need for the road and I go up on tour. I can't tell you them there. See me? I know say the world wants to see them. You see it? So them youth are supposed to dominate the world. So all like people them still I really thought that. So if we don't really rate the boss like that, support the youth them. That's all I say. Now people, brace on yourself. You get disgusting because we don't know what go on here, sir. How is this possible for people start bucket bathroom it right at the cook shop? And that I go on? Me I hear right? I just hope I never in the crab bucket. You understand? Jeez. Me don't know. It no look good. That no sound right. It just make we think look away cause you have to remember in the virgin enough foreigner I tune into the thing, you know. We island loud in a virgin. I don't want some man feel like say thing local, you know. Jamaica loud in a virgin. So the slightest hiccup put a stain on our brand. Jamaica our brand. Jamaica the most talked about Caribbean. Remember now? We are just an island. Enough country not get talked about like Jamaica. You understand? Enough country not get ratings as Jamaica and Jamaicans and a world. So, you know, nobody not perfect still, but I say, Virgin, if you notice, all in America, You have inspection in a virgin. You have people that go around and inspect these things in these facilities. We make sure say you have to have the aid, you have to pass a certain standard with cleanliness. You see it, because anything we you consume and digest that in your system, virgin. Trust me, a serious thing. You see me, so for the lady, we are telling people them say she have diarrhea, as what she call it, and then you have a next lady we forward and have like 20 different video with boy, man, I tell you, I don't know where I go on that. Anybody get sick from over there? Look like she did wash her hand. I don't want to judge nobody, you know. So Jamaica, we not judge over here. But wanna be the judge and tell me now, is that sanitary? You think inspection would have been past that and give that the shop their air? It not look good still, you know. One of them things where them say you have to take bad things and laugh, you know, cause in the day it just don't look good. You see, two of the main things what we can brag about the island, with music and with food. You know? Then we speak about sports. But mainly with music and with food. It's a main big part of our culture. So we don't want nobody to put a stain on the thing and I make the thing look like, you know, all of a sudden Jamaicans not really up to par and them not go and fly come out place because them say, look what I'm seeing on the internet and it's going viral. I really see that, you know. Because we are the most viral set of people, I know that. You have to know. So when you have them look there forward from I'm and place, make you all like that. We are born a fire. So lady, if you need to get some help, go seek some help. But I don't think you're fit if you run a restaurant where I feed people, where I work to come buy food from you. Make a family member who is inclined to do it. You see, you don't have to stop your business. But now, you don't stop your business because nobody now go trust for your business. And you mess it up for other people who not do that. You see, it's a hell of a thing. Because you even have a virgin where I say the people situation, them put them in a situation in a certain spot where like the government, they want each stall to pay for them water. I don't know all that thing that it said. I still can't gain a right to do that there, so. You see it? Can't gain a right to do that because you have to remember a man pass through. Stop. Whether you're with your family or not, you stop bridging and say you support and you not expect that bridging. You see me? That needs not go there on your mind. So if you see that, disgust you, you know. You can just imagine for the people them daily customers, you know, say boy, this are them place, you know. Because everybody have a special restaurant, gas station, whatever. You're gonna have your favorite spot where you go and know say your place that and that's what you deal with, you see me? So them people, you know, sick to them stomach. Man start vomit as him here or go on. Him not sick yesterday, you know, as soon as him here. Such man get sick up a public full. All cause of one bucket and a roll of tissue. And that go on, a bucket. We don't know if people who knows did crab in the bucket. Jesus have mercy, God. My brother say, you know, say crab come out that shit and so Jamaica, smash it like, share, subscribe. We don't know. Now, we see a future farmer forward upon live and straighten out a little thing where people must say about him health issues and thing and you know. Which when the artist forward upon live still it did look a little different, you know, but as time change, people change as well, you know what I mean, and that's how life go. So him same health wise, him same good, but him same have sugar. So for the people them who understand sugar and them type of stuff there. We understand where the artists are forward from that. You see, it's the same good. It's just that him have sugar and it will make him lose weight rapidly if him keep him diet or something like that. So a man with sugar is supposed to take him insulin and thing. So would advise the artist ease down off of certain things, Bridget, and get some rest. And make sure see fit for the stage and thing, because the artist all the same have some music forward. So make sure so you go check out Future Fan. But yeah, with that said, now we have Footer Hyper Bonafire. Now this is where dancehall gone to now, where it's been said that artists get exposed for licking out the back part of the section. Walk on. Now them a say Queenie, the viral queen, that's her right name, the viral queen of UK, exposed her husband and fingerings and lickings and tamperings and jackets, and it was a whole closet exposed. And people must say she needs to act her age, but who am I to judge? If them not effort, me not nothing to talk about, so live on a life. Effort as much as you know want. So Jamaica is here to address it. And whoa, it's a thing. Why do we have this melon thing? And now, forward to Queenie are exposed to it. So we don't know what's next to happen. We see we are bridging forward and him this the Prime Minister. And I say the Prime Minister, Chichima and all kind of thing. That's his words, and you know, this the Prime Minister and him go in and him talk a thing, and then you have a next bridging forward and say, yo, him call the Prime Minister Chichiman and him look just like one of them. I say, boy, I don't know, go and run it. YouTube, me tell you, say, over here, say, I wear best content there. You can find it. So Jamaica, make sure so you share the channel there. Like the content, people. Smash the like, me I ask you, please, and make us spread it. Yeah, man. So, me see where Khago did I say, boy, him and Cartel never really good for a long time, man. He must say, boy, if I did him, Cartel couldn't box him because he would have shot Cartel. What do you feel, say, people? You think that speech ever get him in a problem? No, be honest, because I know say you're a Gaza fan. Right? After that speech a Khago make, say, he would have went kill Gaza boss. Is it safe for Cartel touch Elsha with some fry swimmers or steam swimmers and Bami? Is it safe for the artist? Because you have an next bridge in the forward and actually expose Khago. Miss the barbecue. The virgin has said, boy, they will now keep a cookout for Khago. And he must say, boy, it's like him never want that for Khago. You see it? And he beg for Khago and say artist. Only for Khago forward now, and I say he would have shoot the teacher. Next thing, did Rhino really get bullied out of music, people? Right? I want to drop on an honest opinion. Or was it the case where an artist like Popcorn outwork him musically? And Popcorn did just a drop more hard song and Rhino never drop no hard song. What was the case? Is it the case where Black Rhino need to forward and find that song there? People, and the next thing, Black Rhino really forward with that song there. That song there will mean that song there. Would you guys support the song? Because that's the next thing. A lot of people say, yo, do the song. You need a hit song. But they're not going to really support the song. Will you guys support the song? You got to make sure y'all support Black Rhino. You know what I mean? Because a lot of people are hypocrite. And they must say, yo, the artist need a hit song. The artist probably have a hit song on him channel and nobody don't know because nobody not really mess with him like that. Rough. You know how much artists have hit song? Big hit song. But you just need promotion. And a hype. A hype it need around it. Just the hype and the promotion can turn a song into a hit song. Remember that. So, that's what the thing said. That's why you see bigger and bigger hit forward. Because you gotta have better and better song. So I don't necessarily say your song better than mine. Sometimes I just the hype around it. Who drop the song. We stand up around have a lot to do with it. You know? That can give a big push in our business. You know? Yeah. So Jamaica, big up the youth them. I want to see some more billionaire in the business. You see it? Yeah man. Dancehall and reggae. Worldwide. Are the biggest genre. The youth them just need to keep them head in the studio virgin and separate certain things from the craft or where you pick up when you do. You see? And for the other youth them in the street, find something to do. You see? And that will happen over here. So if you give youth them a good speech and make them know, say, look, straighten up yourself, youth. Don't make the system straighten up you. Yeah man, big up on yourself. This is so Jamaica, and you know, say, out of many one people, we have that channel that support it. Big up.